Hi everyone, welcome to our app PayMesh. Here we're going to connect to a wallet, MetaMask, ensure that you have enough MNE tokens. In our case, we have 100,000 tokens. Now navigate to the Open console. Here you can see an interactive demo where you can load escrow, run AI agents, ask messmind, and you have reset option as well. First, we are going to approve MNE tokens. As we can see, it is approved now. We are going to create escrow. We can see the escrow is created and we can also release funds. We have an ops log where we have a trace of all the escrows which were created. We also have a balance tracker where the payer and pay information is mentioned. We can copy the ops log and navigate to the AI agent and paste the information. As we can see, the AI decision is shared here. Now to the best part, the mesh mind. We can ask questions. How do I create an escrow? They will give information. Ask information about my last transaction. We can see the details for last transactions are showed here. Now we'll navigate to the advanced tab where you have an option of streaming the payments. We'll start the stream. As you can see, the stream is going on. Then we'll stop the stream. We have an option to withdraw the amount. We can withdraw this much. We can also enter into a smart term negotiation where we are entering some value and we start the negotiation with the system. We ask 5 and the seller AI says 6.5 MNE. We can create an escrow with the agreed terms as well. It will navigate us back to the escrow tab. We also have option of linking an escrow of a parent escrow with a child escrow. As you can see, the escrow is linked. As we can see here, we have AI arbitration tribunal where I give the escrow ID and the information given is I don't agree and there is some evidence to be loaded. We can run the AI arbitration. We also have an help menu which gives us enough information regarding getting started, completing the escrow flow, the negotiation flow, the streaming payments, the AI agent decision making, the AI arbitration, the chained escrows, and the meshmind assistant. This is where our GitHub repo is hosted with AutoTrust PayMesh. We can see the details where the front end, back end, and the chain RPC are hosted in cloud. This is the system architecture. This is a deep dive of the front layer. This is the backend intelligence. And these are the basic escrow flows. So this is the roadmap for future. Right now we are in phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4 are subsequent. This is where our backend is hosted. These are the Swagger pages for the backend. I will quickly run you through a few slides which we created. So this is the economic operating system for autonomous AI agent, where we have infrastructure for AI to AI commerce from trustless, autonomous, secure. So workflow from the consensus to contract is given here, negotiation as I discussed, and the contract state. And the workflow for the deterministic escrow state machine is given here, where we have funded, then goes to locked, then finally release or refund as I showed you in a demo. This is the workflow for real-time economics. Like we start the rate and fund, the flow moves, then we have stop, and then we have a take note which says MNE integration calculates the delta. This is the front layer where we have the console, the backend, the brain uses Node.js, and the layer 3 uses protocol like we have the MNE.sol file. This is the brain. We have ultra low latency orchestration. We have the rack system, the AI engine, and the output. The protocol which says enforcing security and truth. We have the core contract, MNE Escrow.sl. This is the design which we have front end, back end, and chain RPC. This is a quick startup which we need for chaining and deployment. This is the escrow contracts we are using, and this is the path of autonomy to the roadmap which I just illustrated. This is how you can clone the repo. Thank you. Have a great day.